In this video, I'm going to go over how you can make money every time you buy items using cashback. Hey, I'm Paul, and I'm committed to teaching you the exact strategies I use to create multiple six-figure businesses on eBay and Amazon. These are the same methods that changed my life, and I'm here to show you how they can change yours as well. So every time you purchase items online, you should be taking advantage of cashback websites because it's free, easy money back in your pocket. Now, there are several cashback websites you can use. This one is my favorite right here. It's called Giving Assistant. I just found it to be the most reliable, the easiest to use with really good customer service. And the way this works is super easy. All you do is sign up for a Giving Assistant account. And by the way, if you sign up using the link underneath this video in the description, you'll get $5 when you sign up and use it for the first time. So go ahead and create an account and then search for the website that you want to do your shopping on. In this case, I searched for Home Depot. So here it is right here. All I do is click this button now that says Shop Now. This will open up Home Depot for me. Now I just do my shopping as normal and check out. But because I went through Giving Assistant first, I'm going to get up to 8% cash back on my purchase. So if you click on terms and exclusions, it'll give you more information. This says 8% on home decor, 2% on appliances, and 3% on everything else. So chances are I'll only get 3% back. So if I spend $100, I'll get $3 back, which is great savings. That does add up. Check this out. This is how much I've made just on this account. I use multiple cashback accounts. Just on this account, I've made almost $25,000 just by going through Giving Assistant first. And in addition to that, you should take advantage of every cashback opportunity available to you. And what I'm talking about here is using cashback credit cards. This is the one that I like. It is a Spark Cash from Capital One. It gives me 2% back on all my purchases. $0 to start, $95 a year after that. But as you can see, I more than make up for that. Look, this was paying me about 3% back. So this times almost 2, not quite 2, but almost 2 is how much I made just for the purchases that were through Giving Assistant. So you can do the math there and kind of figure out exactly how much I made just on these purchases alone. And like I said, I have multiple cashback accounts. So this does add up quickly. Do not dismiss cashback. It is easy money back in your pocket. And if you want to learn exactly how I'm doing such a high volume of purchases that are giving me so much cash back, check out the free links underneath this video. I have free mini courses about eBay and Amazon dropshipping. I put such high volume of products through my credit cards and through these cashback websites, and that's why I'm receiving so much in cash back. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you love it, make sure to subscribe for more great content about eBay and Amazon dropshipping. All right, so you're probably wondering what's up with the thumbnail where I'm talking about stacking cash back. Is it possible to use multiple of these cashback websites at once? No, unfortunately, it's not. The way the cookies are set up, it's not possible to do that. But I do have a little secret for you because this is a way that you can kind of stack your cash back. So if we go to Giving Assistant and I'm going to search for Raise. Raise is a website where you can buy discounted gift cards. So if I click Shop Now, that will bring me to Raise. And on Raise, I'm going to purchase a Home Depot Home Depot gift card. So I'm going to get 4% off this gift card right here. And I got 2% back from Giving Assistant because I went through this website. Now, there's a limit on this. Raise says, I think they'll pay you 2% back up to the first $15,000 you spend on Raise. So there is a limit, but if you're new, if you're not shopping on Raise yet, then you should be using this at least up to the first $15,000. Then once you have the gift card, you can come back to Giving Assistant, type in Home Depot, click through to Home Depot, and make your purchase with that gift card. That is the best way to really stack cash back.